What it do, y'all? It's your boy, One Stop Chop. Today, we gonna be working on my, as you can see, it ain't shit right there. Somebody got you, boy. They had already busted them and shit 2 weeks before this, so it wasn't nothing to steal. But today, we gonna replace the window. The window ain't here yet, but I'm gonna get it ready for the window to get here because we waiting on the delivery man to drop it off right now. Let's get started. All right, so first, 1, 2, 3, and then it's 4 in there. Now in this part, you're supposed to use a pick, lift up right here, and it's a little thing that you can stick back there and pop out a little piece. But I ain't got no pick, so we're using a flathead today. And now we can take out this last screw right here, or torque. We can take out the last torque. Let's take out that torque. There's no way this bitch dead, bro. All right, so now we got all our screws out. What we're gonna do is take out this door panel. I got a panel removal tool, AutoZone, $15 to get you a whole set of these. What you do is go up in that thing, right? So we're gonna start at the bottom right here. I think this is the last one. All right, so once we got all of them popped off, you wanna lift up and boom, now this is off. If you look inside here, you'll see these 2 latches. That's for the door handle and that's for the door lock. What we gotta do is disconnect those so we can take the whole panel off of the door. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll be back. I can't show y'all that just because of how tight this angle is. So to give myself a little bit more room, I unlatch the latch down here, open it up all the way. Now I ain't gotta worry about the door closing on me while I'm trying to work. But we got the panel off. Now we're gonna work on removing this panel. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look like 8 bolts to take out. Wait a minute. I'm missing one right here. What the fuck? Somebody done already been up in this bitch. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Now we also need to go behind the little tab right here and get this 10 mil. So next, we're gonna have to come to the side of the door, move these 3 right here. Damn, I was not trying to do that. Now 1, 2, 3. Well, look what the wind blew in. Let's see which one we at. Let's see where we at. Right here. So with the window getting here perfect time, we are right on time. We can't take this off, but we're gonna take it off as far as we can just to vacuum all the old glass up out of it. Get up in that bit. Y'all hear all that old glass? All right, y'all. Once we done got that done, we can, bam, take this out, but we wanna make sure the little window thing right there. One more, man, one more. On God, this the one. Yeah, this the one right here, man. I ain't gonna take it all the way out because I wanna leave that bitch in place, because if we leave it in place, it'll be easy to sit the window on top of the screw. Once we got that off, we gotta take off the old piece that the old window sat on. There we go. This is what the old glass was connected to. This is what connects to that bolt in there and hold it on to the motorized thing to go up and down. You feel what I'm saying? Since we got all this taken care of, we can take this off. Get the outside one. See, now we just made room to slide the window in there. Wanna take off this 10 mil. The reason why we do that is because we gotta take this little window out, but don't break it. Still glass in there. That shit still falling. Fuck whoever broke my fucking window, bro. I gotta go through all this shit because of you. And we got the little side glass out. Make sure you get all the little broken glass up out the trim right there and shit. Now let's break out our new glass. Be careful. It is glass. I got this motherfucker on Amazon for, I think, $87, $97. I'll leave a link to the glass in the description. That's if this go on YouTube. You know, I barely be posting my shit for real. Nah, man, I'm doing YouTube, bro. We doing YouTube. Matter of fact, since we on the topic of YouTube, if you like what I'm doing, please like, subscribe, share. Do something with it because it'll encourage me to post more videos. I don't like posting videos and only 32 motherfuckers watch, and out of y'all 32, only 1 person like it. So fuck with me. I want to give y'all more shit, but you know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta like the shit that I'm posting, you feel me? I'm trying to get Taylor out the hood. Look at that. Does this window feel brand new? Look at that, it got a little tint on it and everything. It ain't the 5% I got on this motherfucker, but it got a little some. We got our new glass. Look at us, we winning now. I'm gonna have to sit it in here like that, carefully, go down slowly until you find that bolt you're looking for. Now we got that bit. Now that we did that, we're gonna put our 8 bolts back in since somebody took that one. So you gotta get this trim, this lining with the window, and this bottom trim in at the same time simultaneously in order for this to work. Now, if my calculations is correct, you feel me? And then you just press this on up in there. There we go. There it is. Once we got that one in, we gotta come in with the trim. Boom. Outside trim on. Inside trim going on. Y'all know what the fuck going on. And lock that little window down, man. Now, once we got all this done, before we put everything back, we want to make sure the window roll all the way up, all the way down without breaking. We're going to do it slow so we don't break it in the process. If you hear it getting tight, you better motherfucking stop. Y'all better fucking hire me, bro. All right, now, y'all, don't forget that once you got it to where it's good, bring this back right here so you can tighten this down. Now, once we got everything tightened down and double checked, we want to make sure we can roll our window up and down as we normally would, you feel me? All the way down, all the way up. Hey, man, y'all need your window replaced, holler at me or refer yourself to this video so you can do it yourself. Either or, it's fine with me, you know what I'm saying? This is another one brought to y'all by One Stop Chop, man, you feel me? I'm gonna bring y'all the Mustang again soon. I just been having a little stuff to handle with life in the Jeep, so this thing looking mighty clean now. Let me take this off. Is it? Nah, that ain't 5%. I can see through this. I gotta go get me some tint now, y'all. I gotta go get 5% again.